Open advocate Dinesh Jotwani into this conversation. Advocate Jotwani, espionage is a serious crime, but the punishment for it has to act as a deterrent for anybody, even having a passing thought of plotting against the nation.
That's very correct. In fact, the section 152 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita categorically says that sedition definition is very wide. It can be any action, it can be any word, it can be any gesture. So, any of these three things that take place against the government of the country, the sedition charges come into play. So, looking at section 152, which Jyoti Malhotra has been charged with, she she has been arrested. There is also a section 3 and section 4 of the Official Secrets Act, which the FIR talks about. Fortunately, I had a chance to read the FIR also, and the FIR is very preliminary. We all know that the case originated when one of the Pakistani staffer, Danish, he his contacts were seen in India, and one of the contact was Jyoti Malhotra, who is a known YouTuber, and she visited all these countries: Pakistan, China, uh, Thailand. So all these countries that she had visited, this all comes into scanner. Looking at the FIR, now I am only talking about legal perspective. So in section 152, which is actually sedition, it's part of BNS enacted in 2023, which definition is very wide. And by the way, in previous Indian Penal Code also this section was there. It has been challenged in Supreme Court a number of times that the definition of conducting sedition is extremely wide. So if you do anything which is against the government of the country, so it's very political situation also. Having said that, I also had a occasion to read the statement of Jyoti Malhotra's parents that are coming out. She said that they are saying that she went to Pakistan and China, and that's not a crime, right? She was in touch with the Pakistan staffer, that's not a crime. If she calls up somebody in Pakistan, that's not a crime. So this is what their defense is, and I'm telling you as a lawyer, the case of the prosecution has to rest on concrete evidence, and that concrete evidence is still not known. Concrete evidence: is there a financial transaction going into her bank account, or is there a money that is going into her relative's bank account? Is there a money? How was she was traveling so many places? How was this money coming? Who was sponsoring her visits? So prosecution has to prove all that. Prosecution has to show what exactly is the document or a piece of evidence that she gave to the Pakistani side. So what was that official secret of India? So that is not in the FIR. And of course, I mean, as a lawyer, I say everything can't be put in an FIR. This is a part of investigation. This is what the police in Haryana and the central police, being NIA, needs to look into all these evidence. I would just like to say that these are very important cases for the government. Tomorrow, if Jyoti Malhotra gets the bail or she gets acquitted in the case, it's the
All right.
embarrassment for the whole country.
You're
It's not the
absolutely right.
government, it's the
Unfortunately,
whole
we've run
country.
out of time.
So,
But your thoughts and your feedback is absolutely pivotal here. But unfortunately, we have run out of time. I appreciate everybody who joined us and shared their thoughts with us.